Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix issues with your iPhone touch screen after updating to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, if you're expressing an issue with your iPhone touch screen that your touch screen is not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue, so guys, you are in a right video. In this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone touch screen not working properly after updating to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, first of all you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut on your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is clean the screen. Ensure that your iPhone screen is clean and free from any dirt, oil or debris. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to gently clean the screen. After this, then you have to do is remove screen protector or case. If you're using a screen protector or a case that covers the screen, it might interfere with touch sensitivity. Try removing them and check if the issue persists. After this, then you have to do is check for iOS update. If you are not already on the latest version of iOS 17, check for update and install them. Apple often release updates to address bugs and improve system performance. So you have to open your settings, tap on general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After trying these all solution and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings. If the issue persists, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't erase your data but will reset system settings to their default values. To do this, you have to scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.